automatic call generator. In live market, it will generate calls. For example, previous day, yes, buy call generator and it break out the first target range and that bullish momentum has followed today also. But today in November 13 Monday market, after 1 minute of market open, 9:16 a.m., sell call generated, red color candle open. So like this daily basis, it will analyze the market movement and generate calls automatically. The calls also will look like a signal. So signal like a calls you will get in live market. In live market, it will analyze the market movement and provide calls. Okay. So today we have received a sell call at 43,956. That straight white line from red color candle. That is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. First target is more than 100-point target. So from 956 is the entry point. 846 is our first target. So 110-point first target range. After 10:15, after 1 hour of market momentum, it finally break out the first target range. Like this today, sell call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.